students, welcome to the class. It is our GK class and today we will learn after page number 24 from your GK book. Up to page number 24 we already covered, so after 24 that is 25 there are two pages, yellow pages namely. There are 7 rules to spend your life more orderly, to be to improve your everyday life. First rule, that is early to bed and early to rise. There was a nursery rhymes, early to bed and early to rise. The same thing you have to follow. That means you have to wake up early and you have to go to sleep early also. That means before 10 a.m. or within 10 to 10:30 a.m. 10:30 p.m. sorry, within 10 to 10:30 p.m. you have to sleep, and before 6 a.m. you have to wake up from your bed. That's a healthy habit you should follow. Next, what are the things you should after wake up early? You should do few exercises, few meditation. It will keep your body calm, keep your mental condition, it will improve your mental health, it will make you concentrate on your study more carefully. You can learn more more concentration you will get in meditation. So every day you should, after waking up, you should do few little exercises. Next, number three rule is, after doing exercises you should eat healthy. Eat healthy, that means every day after waking up you could drink a lukewarm water, and then you can start your day with fruits, vegetables, salads, sprouts, these things, not with cheese, burger, pizza. Okay, so these are the healthy habits, and the natural food we should eat more, not the fast food and the packaged food we should avoid as much as possible. So after eating healthy, what we should do after that, number 4 option what it should be, you should dress properly. That means if you are going to school, you should wear school uniform. If you are going to any place, you should dress clean and neat cloth. You should wear clean and neat cloth. It will keep you healthy and it will make you look smart or look good. So after eating habits, you should dress properly. Okay. Next, number 5 should be punctual. Be punctual. So here are the 5 points I am writing. Number 1 was wake up early. Number 2, it should be what I told you, that do exercise. Do exercises or meditation. Number 3, it should be eat healthy. Eat healthy. Eat healthy. Number 4, it should be dress properly. Dress properly. Number 5, it should be punctual. Be punctual. Be punctual. What is punctual? Punctuality is a habit that can be developed by ourselves. It takes great efforts at first, but eventually it will it will be habituated with you. You will succeed one day, that you have to wake up at this time, you have to dress up at this time, you have to eat at this time. That means punctuality, maintain time for everything. So be punctual. Number 6, it could be what it could be? Maintain diary or timetable. Maintain diary or timetable. Maintain diary or timetable. So it will help you to improve your day-to-day life, it plays an important role. We need to use time wisely. So if you keep a timetable, that timetable if you follow, that means for everything you have a particular time you will do in that time. You will, these two are related. You will be punctual for everything, everyone, and you will have time management also. So these two are related. And number 7 is adopt this memory technique. You have to do these 6 things daily, in a daily basis, not for 1 day or for 2 days. You have to do these things daily basis. So it will be a healthy habit. It will make you to become a good person, to make you orderly. So this chapter, the chapter name was Yellow Pages. That is the 7 rules which you should follow. You will learn this page number 25 and 26. Okay, thank you.